Welcome to another episode of the GSatTrack How-To series. In this video, I'm going to review and summarize how the Mapmode indicator displays data for us to understand. So the Mapmode indicator has several different levels of historical information presented to us. Right now, because we're in live mode, we can see that we have no indicator boxes lighting up, which would mean that we don't have any current positions coming in at this time. However, because we're in live mode, any new information that comes into the portal will be clearly displayed. New positions, alerts, even messages will be received and displayed in real time. You don't need to go and refresh your browser in order to get new information. Of course, you always have the option when looking at a particular asset of even going ahead and clicking follow live, which means that if any new information comes in, it will snap to the position of that particular asset. If I change this information over to the last hour, you'll notice on the side we start to get some of these indicator boxes, which let us know that a device has reported within the last hour. Clicking on Shalona, I can see that he had a device here that reported within the last hour. Clicking on it takes me right to it. As I change this view from 1 hour to 24 hours on our map mode indicator, I will then notice that some of our indicator boxes start to expand with a different feature. So I can now see that alerts were triggered within the last 24 hours regarding devices interacting with a particular location. So in this case, both speed alerts were triggered during the time of the last 24 hours. So again, more information being displayed to us through the map mode indicator. Next, if we change this to the last 7 days, we get to a point where we have more than 3,500 positions from all devices coming in at once. That doesn't mean we can't see them. We just have to load the limited data and then we just move through it. So again, the indicator boxes start to light up more, giving us more information as to what's going on. I can go ahead and go to previous or next to view the additional devices being displayed. And so I have a better understanding of what I'm viewing as I'm viewing it. Right now, everything we have set up is in groups. So we're seeing the group information for this time frame, but I can go ahead and change that out and look at the individual assets as well. So this is how we understand what's being displayed. Again, live mode, anything that comes in is going to be clearly displayed. We may even have an indicator box of a position that came in that fades shortly over time. Then we have our last hour, our last 24 hours, 7 days, month, and then we also have the ability to put in a custom date range. In each case, we can look not only here to see what's going on, we also can see that we've got several different assets that are being displayed in this time and the quantity of positions that I'm currently looking at. So a host of data that's coming from the map mode indicator. So there you have it. That's the brief overview on how you can understand the information that's being displayed in the portal when you're viewing it. Thank you very much, and I look forward to our next video.